Hello friends, subscribe my channel. General question answer. Topic is a water sport. Your first question, have you done water sport? Your answer, to be honest, I have never done water sports because I don't get the chance to do it. But whenever I receive an opportunity, then I go to the Goa for the water sports. Your second question. What water sport do you like doing? You answer, well, I like scuba diving because I love to watch live fish deep in the sea, and it is a very precious moment when fish surround us. Your third question. Are the water sport popular in India? Your answer, yes. It is a popular in Goa, and there are the different type of the water sports valuables like flyboarding, kayaking, snorkeling. Your fourth question. What kind of the water sport do you want to try? You answer, well, I would like to try beach paralyzing because I heard it is an excellent experience and watch in the discovery. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it for the latest update video.